when I set up has some multiple fiber types. That's a wall-to-wall wool. In this room on the left is a wool and jute wall-to-wall. So I'll be using absorbent compound. And the stairs are 100% wool. It's a long run, almost 200 feet, so I'm going to use a 2.5 inch hose from the filter at the truck to the front door. And then I'm going to reduce it down to 2 inches in the house. The client did not want to seal the door up, although it might not have been wide enough for this door, but it probably would have helped seal some. She had other contractors using the front door as well. That's the absorbent compound that I used to clean the room upstairs. The wool and jute, it's already done, and I'll show you the results. This is the wall-to-wall wool and jute. It's been cleaned, looks great, safely clean. If you hot water extract it, you will cause it to shrink. We don't want that. So this is the wall-to-wall wool, which has a couple of pet stains. And if you listen to this airflow, this is not scientific, but this is about the same airflow as I would have at 100 feet of hose by having that 2.5 inch. So it performs the best on a long run.